So, Brendan, what is going on?
Today we are sanding or stripping down these planks. We're going to turn this plank now into this plank here. So, Marcel, can you please feel your foot?
That
How does it feel?
Nice.
No, this one, how does that feel?
Oh, wait, no, that one.
That's a
Kind of
sharp bit of splinters.
Nice and
that's what I wanna
smooth.
get Okay, step one, we need to take these boards out. So we whip them out with the drill.
Which part one? Which part one? The horrors of the blunt screws.
Okay. Two, you can see on this board,
Don't
it has little highs and lows. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the planer
the planer.
and take those high and low spots off. Okay. Good stuff. Step one is done. We've got rid of the high spots on either side. So you can see it's cut off nice level there. Edges are square now. It's a bit thinner on either side. Don't take off too much, otherwise the board will be too thin. And now it's time for some sanding. Ran it over the sander, 100 bits to remove the stuff with a flat surface. Now we made it nice and square. We don't want to hurt ourselves, so we use the router, round it a bit, sort it out. Rotary sander again, this time with a interface disc, so it can go in.
But that's a different sander.
Yep, but it's got, it's the same thing, but it's got a pad on it, so it takes the corners nicely, so we can do the edges. Step 5, last but not least, we're going to just make the holes a little deeper again, so the holes are kind of sunk. Okay, and the final step in the process is to put the board back down. These are the screws. Thanks guys for watching DIY with Dad today. Making slow progress on getting the deck all sorted. Please like, follow and subscribe for more. See you on the next one.